arrested Bobboo Harding, the financier? Harding, a byproduct of Glendavon, reputedly the overseas financier of the stone crusher, had migrated to the United States, where he remained for several years.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button and click on another video. Now, the video here about a youth named Robert Bobboo Harding. A short video, but he was a very important player in the stone crusher gang. He was a big time financier, and he was wanted when he was at Jamaica. He come from Glendavon and go foreign and start send money and gun, and he end up get deported. Now when he get deported, something happened to him.
Wherever the truth lies or is hidden, in October of 2012, Harding was cornered in Glendavon and killed by the police, just 3 weeks after he had returned to Jamaica, by way of deportation. In the aftermath of his death, several friends and relatives, angered by his killing, staged a protest in Glendavon. According to the protesters, Harding killing was a case of extrajudicial killing. Reportedly, the police went into the house, held him and ordered the other family members out of the building. They, the police, forced him into the bathroom and shot and killed him.
You hear what happened to him? 3 weeks after him dropping out of place, the police then get the info upon him and corner him and kill him. But him family and friends them I say the police chased them out of the house and go in there and execute him. Now, listen to the police version.
According to the police version, Harding was a fugitive from justice, as before he had fled to the United States, he was one of the major enforcers in the stone crusher. In addition, while in the US, Harding was a stone crusher financier. Furthermore, he was one of the main players behind the bloody split in the stone crusher gang, which resulted in a spate of murders in the Glendavon area in 2010. At 35 years old, Bobboo Harding was dead. One member of the community, who spoke on condition of anonymity, seemed to be in support of the police's assessment of Harding. The resident told that Harding was no angel and was one of the main players behind the bloody split in the stone crusher gang, which resulted in a spate of murders in the Glendavon area in 2010.
So when you hear all end up and you have people in the neighborhood who don't like him and say them glad the police get rid of him, because when do him split up the stone crusher and then them have a inside inter-gang war go something similar to like Sparta them, or the same thing did go on with the stone crusher them. So we just want to highlight the youth here, Bobboo Harding, and you know, bring the stone crusher and one of the most dangerous gang will ever come out of Jamaica. Me not think Klansman them dangerous like stone crusher. The man them roll from about 2000, from the year 2000, and I think the last one with them catch out was 2010. But even up to 2015, them name did still a ring a bell. And you know, once the gang them break up, then other splinter gang farm, man with the day another gang I go farm another gang and join with another gang. So yeah, the stone crusher was a dangerous organization. Some of the most coolest set of serial killer them at Jamaica. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And I'm gonna do a video on while the brother done. I not get the full scope yet. But me, I go give my opinion, so I want to stay tuned and check that out. Catch you later. Countryman, I love you.